Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create Instagram story on a Canva application. So the things you have to do is just go open the Canva application, and after that you just need to go click this plus button. In this plus button you just need to go click search here and type Instagram story to find out the reference for the templates. And here you go, you just need to click it. And now you already have the canvas that you can work with, as well as the template that you can use for your Instagram story. So if you want to have a free template, just find the template that have okay, my bad, let's go back in the templates. And you just need to go back. Okay, if you want to have a free, make sure that the template that you choose have no this symbol, like this one is kind of like free. Just need to click it. Now you already have it. And for example, and for the next, you just need to change the picture with the picture of you. Just need to click this part and go click replace. And now you just need to choose which picture that you want to add. For example, this one. Okay, since it makes like the text is invisible, so let's make it darker by go change the color here into black. And after that we just need to go click replaced and choose the picture that we chose before, and go scroll into the left side until you go into the transparency. Just go click it and drag into the left side. There you go. And whenever you're done, you just need to go export this by go click this part and go click download. And now you just need to confirm to download it. And that's all the way how to create Instagram story on a CapCut on a Canva application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.